Now let's move on to converting your EcoTank to a sublimation printer. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button to get updated on our recent and upcoming videos. For this process, we will not be using the ink refills that came with the printer, so feel free to toss it out or put it aside. But instead, we will be using our new sublimation ink by Hypo, which you can find on Amazon. It comes with 4 syringes for each of the color refills. Together with the 4 colors for each of our ink tanks, we have the black sublimation ink, cyan ink, the magenta ink, and the yellow ink, our favorite. With the 4 syringes, it also comes with the 4 needles to make it easier to extract the ink from the bottles and refill the ink tanks. Now let's begin. Open the cover of the ink tank by pulling the top of the ink tank. The ink tanks are labeled per color: black, yellow, magenta, and cyan. Now lift the cap of the blank ink slot. Make sure that you're wearing protective gloves to avoid having inks all over your precious hands. Starting with the black refill, carefully insert the syringe into the bottle and extract the black ink from it. Once done, slowly push in the needle into the black ink slot in your ink tank. Continue doing the same process until the black tank has been filled to its max level, and proceed with the rest of the colors until all ink tanks have been filled. Once done, carefully close the ink tank cover, and we're ready to set up your printer. Simply lift the control panel and press the power button. Choose your language and follow the on-screen instructions until you reach the QR code. Now, using your mobile device, scan the QR code to continue with the setup. Once scanned, the setup will continue on your mobile device through the Epson Smart Panel, and will finish when sync installation has been completed. Watch our next video in doing a test print with your new sublimation printer on Do Sublimation Printing on Metal Blank Sheets. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed our tutorial. Until next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get the most recent updates on our upcoming videos.